This junk journal will be available in my Etsy shop, and I will show you a detailed flip through in this video. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkJournals, and if you are a long-time watcher of my channel, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. You may remember this journal, or maybe you flipped through my channel and saw this journal and thought it looked a bit different, and why is she selling it right now? So I created this journal and used it to write letters to my pen pal. Then she gave all the books back to me. I put the letters out of the books. I recycled them, to be honest, because she answered my letters and I answered her letters, and then we decided that I could reuse these covers and something from the inside maybe. So I decided to recycle this junk journal. So it's a recycled book, junk journal, or a junk journal, which was another junk journal, a pen pal journal before, and a book before this, something like this. So let me show you the details. This is the cover. The journal measures approximately 14 by 18.5 centimeter, and the spine is 1.5, nearly 1.5 centimeter. So this is the front. I did a bit of collage. This card says "Stars in Your Eyes." This is why the journal is called "Stars in Your Eyes." This is a big button, another journaling card, some book pages, a bit of inked edges. It has one signature. This is a bag, a really, really cool fabric. This was an old pullover of mine, which got ripped. And this is a broken necklace from my mom. So this white and blue and red beads, and this little dark blue beads, and this lighter blue beads. They were from, not a necklace, but how do you call it, what you wear about your wrist. And it got a bit damaged, so I thought, why not reuse it? And I thought this would go very well with the theme because of this different shades of blue, a bit of red, and this white. And you see in these cards a bit of blue and white, a bit of orange, red things. So I thought this would be perfect. And these are some stamps. So let's open it up. This is the inside. You have a pocket over here, and I put in a bit of stuff. So this is a piece of vellum with stars on it. Hopefully you can see it. This is a bit of something like music paper. This is from a paper pad. Here you have some scrapbooking paper, a little journaling tag. These are stickers, washi tape stickers. So you have different kind of papers. This is the journaling card, which is white or nearly white on the back. This is created by a few kids of the neighborhood, and they gave the card. I have different cards, and one I put into here. So this is the wooden leaves they put on. Really lovely. I thought it would be very fine in this journal. Bit of printables, tea-dyed paper, a little card which says "Ooh la la." These are washi tape stickers. Again, you have different kinds of papers, as I said before. This is a little ticket just out of some nearly cardstock, thin cardstock to say so. Some white dotted paper. This is a little fuzzy cut which says "Alchemy." Bit of a shiny page. So you have a variety of pages. These are two papers from a paper pad again. This is a bit purple and pink. Hopefully the camera is showing it really well. This is a bit of blue paper. So here you have a piece of paper in this moon shape. And then here I put, this is a printable, and this too. And then I put around the edge this little card. So it's just a piece of cardstock, which is shimmery and holographic. And I put in this cute little card. So you have a few bits and bobs to play with in this journal or in other journals. This is the middle of the only signature this journal contains. So this is a cool background. You can put on photos or greeting cards, things of your daily life, something like this, and you can write onto here. You can put on a piece of paper of your liking and write over here. You can put some paint over it, so it's a bit of a thinner paper, so you have to watch out if you want to put paint on it, but just as an idea for you. So these things, these charms can move out of the way, so your journal lays really flat. Another piece of cardstock, so this is like a little, you pull it out, it's a bit like a paper pad to say, so you can cut it in half, of course. This is a bit a shape of a, don't know, a space theme, I thought. So I thought it is from the same paper pad than this card. So I thought it would go well with the theme. Another journaling card I created by myself with some writing space on the back. Some tea-dyed paper, tea-dyed or coffee-dyed. I cannot tell you if it's tea-dyed or coffee-dyed because I do both of it. A little label, no, this, and this says, "The night is deep, only the stars in the sky are whispering." It's really, really tiny, so I had to look close. So this is a little label for you to play with. This is a little ticket again. These are washi tapes with this shiny, shimmery stars theme, and a piece of cardstock again from a paper pad. So I put them over the page for you to play with. This is some blue paper, and this is the back. You have this theme with this moons over here, and this bed. So, and you have some other little cards, tickets, and this to-do list, and another of this 4 vintage papers, to say so. In this cute little bag, not bag, pocket on the back. And you close the journal like this. You have this tiny but very strong piece of elastic. Just put it over your button, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you a lot of inspiration. As I said before, this journal will be available in my Etsy shop, linked down below in the description box. So have a nice day. Give this video a like. And maybe you want to take a look through my other videos, or maybe through my Etsy shop as well. So stay tuned for other videos. Have a great day. Bye.